And we are live. All right, then let's just. All right, hey guys, what's up? Here we are. I think we're good now. Welcome everybody who's watching. Uh, just gonna make sure everything's set up good before I get to work. Tell me how the volume is. I've been adjusting the settings a little bit, trying to get it like to sound nicer with what I have. Does it sound good? Hopefully. uh, yeah. So the background music good, all that kind of stuff. But if so, we'll just get right to work. We got our tasks again, and got to decide what to work on. There's a lot of things that need to get done still, before we can really even get to building a level too much. But by the way, the reason that I don't want to go too far ahead into what we're doing, like what we've been working on, is just because all these are temporary assets, and my brother is working on actually like finishing the making what we're sorry, my brother's actually still working on getting like our finalized stuff ready. I'm pretty sure the aspect ratio of the game is going to be considerably larger than what it currently is, which means setting things up like, you know, like this jump and all that, it's going to be a little more difficult. There we go. Oh, also, what's up with this? What happened to the spikes here? They just became invisible for some reason. I think the music might be a little too loud. Well, it's a little loud for me, so I don't know about you guys. So, just gonna turn that down a bit. Why are you invisible in the level? Oh, same for the bottomless pit. Why is that invisible too? Strange. Do I need to do like set it when the game starts? This one would be spikes. Does that fix it? Yeah, okay. Collision is a little off on it. Where is the... I think the hitbox is like a little to the... Yeah, there it is. Let me just change that size a little bit. Oh, jeez. I want it to be like 0.7, and then I'll like move it over. Oh, no, it's like... There you go. Kind of, I think. We'll see. Just gotta jump past these guys. Yeah. That seems fair. Now it seems like you have to like really get close to them to actually hit them. I guess we probably have to do the same for the bottomless pit. Annoying, but it is what it is. Oh, I put the bottomless pit and the spikes into a folder called stage hazards, and that's where we're gonna put like various stage hazards. um, right now I have it on like a tile map system, which probably isn't the best idea now that I think about it. Yeah, I should probably set this to sprites, which I think I can actually do, like right now, but I don't want to. Whoops. Save that. There you go. There's the pit. Okay, perfect. But now that I just fixed that tiny little issue, let's get to doing some actual stuff. If we want to get this, I think we pretty much have most of the controls done. We have this suplex grapple thing, but the more I think about it, the more I'm like, why would we do this? It's essentially just a strong attack. Yeah. Wall jump is another thing that we want to do, and do we already have this set up actually. Interact. Huh? Why is it telling me to correct it? It's whatever. So interact is done. Pick up. We should probably get that done at some point. In fact, yeah, that's gonna be what we're gonna do. Make a folder. This will be pickup. And in here, we will make a parent class. This is going to be BP. No, not MP. BP. Pickup. We'll set up the functionality for this. And we'll make, like, everything else a child of this. So... it needs to have a variable, which will be its sprite. Yeah, paper sprite will be an object variable, which represents it. Yeah. Well, we don't need to do anything here. In the childs, we'll be like, we'll call for sprite and set it. Oh, wait. I might be stupid. We need to actually add the sprite. Paper sprite. We need to do it that way, not just make it a variable. And add sphere collision. And then on event overlap with this, component begin overlap, make sure is equal to geez, I'm just get player pawn. If the thing that if the other actor that is overlapping is player pawn, then call the branch and make it so that when you overlap, wait, we need a way to actually track how many coins the player has, or like items the player has. No, we need an inventory first. To make an inventory, we probably need to make a data table, I'm pretty sure. but not really an inventory. We just want to know how many items a player has. And I mean, we could just make it a stat, like dollars, and have it that the amount of dollars that you have increases, and have it cast from your player, and then set their dollar amount to dollars plus what? No, but that only works for that. Like, there's also, what about are there gonna be other pickups? Probably. But I guess huh. I'm trying to think, because we essentially just want to track very values, pretty much. I mean, I'm not entirely sure. So let's just watch a quick video then. It's like, what, 2 minutes? This could probably give us, if it doesn't, you know, it probably won't tell us exactly what we want, but it's likely to. Hello, Michael Morbius. How terrifying. Unfortunately for you, I don't know my IP address, so I can't be intimidated.
Okay, here I have my rotating coin.
But welcome to the stream. Yeah.
Let's go to our coin blueprint.
Let's just.
Now go to viewport.
Now
go to add collision. And SVU collision.
Neither, but I think that's close enough.
Now
true.
Go down a little bit. Something like this, it's okay. Now with the SVU collision selected, let's go to on component begin overlap.
Yeah.
Add the event. Here in our event graph, we set up our pickup item.
This is pretty much what I've done so far. So let's see if did we get anything. That's what I was thinking. Perfect. Okay.
And now the next thing to do is destroy our coin. So let's drag, right click, destroy actor.
Right.
Here. Now let's compile and let's see if it works. It works okay.
I mean,
that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.
That's not really a pickup. You walk into it and it gets destroyed. Okay. But to be fair, there's one thing that they got right. We just need to cast a player. 'Cause player controller, I'm pretty sure. No, base player. Cast the base player. If this doesn't work, then nothing happens. It could only successfully do this when we step into it. Actually, I could probably do this for all the other things where not this, and like, instead of doing this stuff here, just be like, cast a base player, and if successful, deal damage. just, make things simpler. If you succeed, then damage me. Let me just make sure that works before I move on to what I was talking about. Ouch, ouch. Okay, yeah, it worked. Anyway, cast the base player. The destroy actor is also true. Because, it has to get deleted. But... but it's the whole part about adding to your... like, giving you the coin is... we have to add that, I guess, ourselves. What a baffling tutorial. It's just like, here, you want to do this thing? I can't show you how to do it, but I'll show you how to do this part of it. So that's very cool. I guess what I really need to figure out, though, is how to make a data inventory. I guess an array. I want an array is what I'm talking about. Let's open up the base player. And how are we going to do this? There's other videos that I was seeing that were talking about making like a full inventory that like you can open and it has like a screen and like with slots and stuff. That is not what I want. However, I think that is a good start for like to get what I want to do. Is there like a short video? There's a series. This probably has.
And you need this done
Jeez. Ads. Let's get through that. And once again, be quiet. Lo-fi music. Oh jeez.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to the
Hello, Ryan.
inventory system series that has been rebooted because I just wasn't happy with the way over on patreon.com/.
Yeah, let's move forward a little bit.
So in this first episode, we'll be going over the setup for our inventory.
Uh-huh.
Component, its various functions available. First episode, we'll be going over the setup for our inventory system.
A component. Okay. That's interesting.
Various functions available that it needs.
What is that?
Going over the setup for our inventory system.
So we have an inventory component. What is that?
Its various functions available that
F item struct. Oh, right, because items have different variables. Oh, geez. This is going to be... So, how do we make an item? Where would I put this? I'll just put it here for now. For an item struct, I gotta figure out how to make a struct. Data, okay. Probably find that where I normally find data tables, right? Yeah, structure. I'll just call it struct item. Neat. So for the variables that we want for this item, obviously a name. That's like a name variable. Uh, he did it as text, which I guess is an option. Hello, Lorem. Welcome back. It will need a thumbnail, true. That is as well. So, just add a couple of variables. Welcome back. Right now, I'm like kind of making an inventory, I think. We can add a description because we might need that. Description will be text. Thumbnail will be, I mean, a texture 2D is makes the most sense, just like as he said. And for item class, yeah, I guess it would be a class. The glitchy boy. Hello. His friend told me to come watch the stream. Well, I'm glad that your friend sent you here. Right now, I'm trying to set up an inventory thing, and we will see how it goes. Right. I think actually all these variables are. I'm like watching a video for this right now, but I think all these are pretty good. Yeah, we want this to be an actor, which makes sense because all of our whoops, we want it to be actor class. I'm his friend. Ah, cool. What streamers read your messages? I mean, it's all I can do. Class reference is what we need. And stack size, of course, will be integer, because we are going to be doing like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You doing that idea I told you? Not right now. I'm still setting up a lot of like the basic systems that we need. Wait, what did I do here? Oh, stack size. Right now I'm trying to make pickups, you know, like dollars and coins, things that you can like actually get in the game. So we have the item structure. Are we gonna need to make a data table after this? How are you gonna name it? The game? The game will be called Mighty Grandpa. Maybe I should set that up in. Oh, sorry. It on like our streams. Making Mighty Grandpa the game. Balloons Tower Defense. Yeah, I got Balloons Tower Defense. There you go. Stream name slightly updated. I'll put Mighty Grandpa in there. We're talking about. All right, here we go. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Make a video about it? Probably not. Or maybe, I don't know. I might make. I was thinking of on Sundays doing like gaming streams instead of all this work. Mainly just because I'm like been working continuously at this point, and I'm thinking having a break would be nice. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So we're going to go ahead and set up first of all the inventory component.
Yeah.
We'll then be able to apply to both the player and other objects to create containers. So let's start off by creating that component. We're going to go into our content down here, and I make a nice new folder to keep all of this in.
I'm like, you're talking a little slow.
We're going to add a new blueprint class. go to actor component down here, and we're going to call this one inventory system. But inventory system is a actor component, which means we can attach it to other actors to add extra functionality and
Yeah.
that we can use freely throughout the game.
I mean, I guess it would make sense because we're gonna have multiple characters. I mean, they're kind of gonna have the same. No, I guess it would make sense to separate them, like have from the base player specifically Mighty Grandpa. That would be really confusing, actually. Well, I do have one little job that I do occasionally, but mainly I'm also working on a video. I've made one video for the channel so far. No, the spikes are done. Don't worry about that. I've made one video so far on my channel, and I'm currently working on the second one. Each one is like a summary of what we've done throughout the week. Yeah. So you can check that out if you want after the stream.
I'd like to start with the core basics that I'm going to need in order for our inventory to work, or any sort of system to work. So we'll set up some basic events and functions to handle this stuff. First of all, let's clear
What do we need to set up? So not that. Got it.
So the first function I'm going to add in here is going to be an add to inventory.
That makes sense because we functions, we can call them from other stuff. Add to inventory.
Well, obviously, we need a function here to enable us to add our content to our way of storing.
This all seems very familiar to me, but I've never set up an inventory system myself, so they faded away. I mean, that's how it's set up. Is the video? Oh, I think the video just froze there.
Some variables. The first variable we're going to have is
There you go. Yeah, the video apparently just froze. We do need also the function remove from inventory. Not sure if we're going to actually... No, we will use that. I mean, yeah.
and we want to store this as an integer.
Sometimes, you know, you just need to know what you're doing. Does it pay? Right now, no. But if you watch the video, maybe it eventually will. And watch the entire video, give it a like, subscribe, all that stuff. This is a good stream. I'm glad you're enjoying it.
That way we have a whole number indicating how many slots.
Or is it? Of course.
Now alongside this, we're going to need our content. Now that is going to be the meat and bones of all of this.
Yeah, we need an array for the that will be the actual inventory itself.
Are ways of storing loads of variables together. In this case, we'll be storing two in an ordered fashion. So let's go ahead and create structures. So we're going to go into our blueprint menu here. And
Yeah.
new structure. And the key
Already did that.
is that you're going to use F, and then you type in the name of your struct. So we're going to do
Why F?
slot struct. And let's open this. Now, I did briefly mention that this will involve two variables. The first one will be in ID name, which will be the item. So item ID. And that'd be a name. And
Is this different from the item struct? Because it seems to be different from the item struct.
the other one will be a quantity.
I'm not sure. It is. Okay. Actually, I think I understand why now. We'll make this a text again instead of a name. Because S item is for the data of the item itself. For the inventory, we just want what the item is and how many of them we have. That makes sense. Blueprints, structure. I don't know why F, but I'll go with F. So this is F. It is what it is. Did I watch Demon Slayer? I haven't watched anime in a while, to be honest. Oh no. Let me rename this so there's not confusion. Slot structure. I'll just call it F slot. And no, I want it to be S, like structure, because you know it's a structure. Uppercase S, actually. There you go. So this is S slot. Item ID. Broke your foot. Rip. F tier, S tier, whatever. But dang. I hope you've gotten better since then. Oh yeah, we need quantity. Forgot.
I can then go back to my inventory system, and in here we'll create our variable for our content. So we're going to call this content, and in our variable type,
content.
for our F slot struct.
Yeah. Okay. And I'm probably gonna want to make that an array as well. That's not how you spell content at all. Content. There we go. Got our S slots.
Find it there. And this is just a single one.
Good luck with that, Lorem.
We need to make this an array. So click on the little icon next to
Yeah.
type
I knew it.
to an array. There we go.
So gotta make an array.
So to make this work for multiplayer, there's a couple of things we're going to set up here too.
Multiplayer? I don't care about that. This is a single player game.
Whole system is going to be replicated. We're going to go to class defaults, and you're going to go down to component replicates and turn it on. We are then also going to replicate our content array. So click on content array and go over to the right hand side.
I'm just letting this part play because
Replicate it.
it's not. I don't need it.
When you do change to replicated, what that does mean is that if the server changes the content of this inventory component, it will replicate it to all the clients as well. We will be setting up some further functions to enable this, but just know that for now,
I guess I could.
replicated, only the server can change.
I mean, I could set that up now anyway. Just. You have animals? A lot of animals, apparently. That's cool. I already forgot how to do what he just told me what to do. So I guess I won't be setting it up. Cause
Change this content.
that's cool, that's cool. I mean, yeah. I don't have any pets
And then we go back
because my mom doesn't like pets. So oh, that's tragic. Oh, jeez. Adds a jump scare.
Turn their passion.
and we're going to add it to our player character in the component.
Right. Yeah, now the doctors gave me like a thingy instead of the thing they put normally, and the thingy is like pretty useless because I keep comes up. Okay. You mean a cast? Is that what you mean by thingy? Welcome to the stream, whoever joined. Yeah. Okay. So you don't have a cast. They gave you what, like a like a mold instead or something? So yeah. Add inventory system. Da-da-da. Here it is.
Now over here on the right hand side, you'll see inventory size is default to 0. I'm going to change that to 16.
Oh. The inventory size, we probably don't want it at 0. I think the only thing we're going to be collecting kind of... He's Romanian. Hilarious. I'll put it to 999 right now. Because me and my brother were talking about the... okay. We're talking about, like, how the collection system is going to work. At the end of the level, you're going to get told how many of anything that you received. So we want you to be picking up like tens and $100 bills. So by the end of each level, you should be rich.
And content here we'll leave blank, but if you did want the player to start with some content, you can indicate that here just fine.
Yeah. I don't want to though.
Now, in terms of the actual content, the actual items that you'll be picking up and spawning and so forth, you'll need to create a data table for this. And for this to work, we need to have some structure about what are the items that we need in our data table.
Yeah.
Inventory folder here, we're going to create another struct. This is going to be F item struct. And this is going to be a structure that contains all the details of the individual items.
Already did that.
The first thing we'll want to know is their name. We'll need a thumbnail to... Okay.
Yeah.
Then make it so we drop the item. We need to know what item we're actually dropping in. Sadly, if I ask if it's here. And you
I don't know what's up with this guy's video. It freezes constantly. I'm a mini wiki.
And the last item we're going to add in here,
I mean,
us at least, is going to be this stack size.
it's something, I guess.
Now, stack size would be how many items of that same class, same type, can be stacked into one slot. So before it has to go into a new slot. Okay, so
Yeah. We're probably going to be using stack size differently, where instead the stack size determines how many of a certain money that you can have before... Not really, Veslorum. Before... Well, no, not really, actually. Because I was going to say, because we talked about, me and my brother, he's Luigi GX on YouTube. You can go follow him if you want. He's going to be start making new videos soon. But I guess we don't really need stack size.
10 apples.
We'll see, though.
5 stack size. You can get 2 slots filled up. That's all we need here for now. But you can also add more stuff onto this, so you could have things like details.
I don't really need any more details, so we'll just leave it there.
Like buy and sell values. You can also include things like the weight, if it's an incumbent system, whatever you may wish. Okay, for us, we'll do that. And we'll just close that there. And we're going to create our empty data table. So you just right click inside of your content browser, miscellaneous.
I mean, cool.
Data table,
Fun to hear.
F item struct. Okay. We'll which one item.
So we are making a data table. Previously, there is a little bit of an issue using a data table, simply from the fact that if we have a lot of items, pulling from the same table is a little annoying. No, but I guess the previous issues I had with the data table came from the fact that I was working on a team, and if anyone wanted to add or edit anything on the data table, you had to like take it out of the game. What is a data table? I'm sorry. A data table is just a table which holds data. It has like... So how much time do you think it will be done? A couple months. So first of all, let me save this. And I guess I'll show you what a data table is. Where was the data table that he just showed? Composite data table. Was that different? Let me rewind in the video.
Miscellaneous data table.
No, it's different. I just didn't see it. Data table. Yeah. I'm gonna choose S item. dt item data. Oh, jeez. One time I would like to be able to spell something and just have it work on the first try.
And then choose your F item to represent. Okay. Choose which one item 8.
Just no basic spelling. It would be so good.
About each item, which we'll do later on in another episode. There you go, we've got the start of our inventory system ready to go.
Ah, okay.
So we're going to work on that interaction system, allowing our player to interact with items around the world, including pick them up or put them into chests.
And yeah, from what I can see, part 2 is not really what we need. Oh, it's like see-through. That's weird. How old am I? I'm 21. I'm gonna be 22 very soon. So we can add items to the thing. And row name. This row will be $. Name, of course, $. A $1 bill. No thumbnail. I don't think we're gonna need it right now. We may need one eventually. So, the way that it's set up, we now have to make an item class for that. Let me organize things before things get really confusing. So we have an inventory folder. We need to add these things in there. We should probably make a folder for no thumbnails. Okay. Yeah. Here's what I'm thinking. We're gonna make a folder called data. And we'll put like enums in there. We haven't used enums at all, but you know. No game, no grandpa, no enemies. No end. And in here. No, wait. We can actually delete this folder. We're just gonna put we're just gonna put the item data in the data folder. Okay. Now that I've organized a little bit, we can go back into pickups. Is the pickup set up mostly? No. I stole his DS. That's hilarious. I'm like trying to think of how we do this. So on overlap, cast to base player, and I wish I could remember how to set this up. Are you a school because you make me die? Whatever that is, that's like the opposite of Riz. I'm trying to think of how to set up a simple thing. I want this to Yes, exactly, sir. Alright. What are you guys even talking about right now in chat? Interesting. I'll leave you guys to that while I try to figure this out, alright? Sort yourselves out. So when you overlap with the component, it should cast the BP player, get your inventory, get the inventory system, and from the inventory system, we need to call add to inventory. We need to add whatever item we are to inventory. Welcome to the stream. Trying to figure out how to add something to an inventory. I cannot for the life of me. Oh. No, that didn't work at all. What am I thinking about? The item thing is not a component. You can't just add it to different blueprints. You know what? Maybe I judged too harshly that video. Maybe they actually... I know that what they're going to go into is not what we need, but maybe they have something in part 2 that will help us figure this out. I have no idea. Ah, jeez. Part 2.
Who's bumper tax season?
Oh, jeez, ads. Oh, gosh. Everything. Flashbang. What happened?
Let's get out there and crush those taxes.
Come back to the ranch in
We know
full
some
sword.
freelancers
Oh,
who are pumped.
oh my goodness.
This year, hire a tech.
That scared me. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Hello. Everything seemed fine now. I have no idea what just happened. Yeah. Yeah. We need to add actual functionality to this now. But that's not really what we want. Because this is... I understand what they're talking about. This is for when we overlap. We could kind of do a similar thing, actually. I think. If we get our player's forward vector instead, and then set the trace to, like, small, so we have to overlap with the item. We can kind of make it so that when that happens, the item gets added to our inventory. We can call add to inventory, I think. Which is completely different. Which is not completely different, but it's kind of different from what they're talking about. Yeah. That's an option. What do you mean a separate one? Well, that I don't need to change anything because this thing's so difficult. The test is. Huh? What are you guys talking about?
And in here, I'm going to search for channel, and you'll go down, you'll find the section for trace channels. A new trace channel, and we're going to put in one called interactive.
I really do not need to do that. I already have an interact system set up for when you can and cannot interact with stuff. I do understand what he's saying, though.
See it in Adobe down here. You don't see it here, just compile it and it should then appear. Active to ignore. We want to ignore probably the owner of the this component. So just right click to get owner, and we'll put that in our
We might need to set that up though, actually.
array. Okay, so that is the tracing part done. Next, we need to put this into a branch to determine whether or not we actually are looking at something that we can interact with.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Now, normally when I do this, I like to do the true line first and then doing the exceptions in the false branch later. So we'll do the true branches here first.
Monkey.
So if it's true, we need to know what we're hitting. So we're going to break open our hit result and get our hit actor. The look at actor. This is the actor you're currently looking at. Remember, this will only be things that are interactive because there's trace shown here. So we do that. And then
Ooh.
into our true branch.
Okay.
We then are going to set up an interact interface. And that interact interface is going to handle what's going to happen when we look at something. And we start with
I have already set up.
interact with implementations of what actually happens with two functions. New interface. Go to blueprint interface, and we start with I, and then we do interact interface.
I think I understand what you're saying.
We're going to have
Having the look at actually kind of would be good for here. But I'd have to update the interact interface. Because if we have... Yeah, because for certain items we don't need to set up look at. But for others... like the signs, instead of having these spears around them, make it so that when interact interface is called, they open up. Bro, just relax, okay? People just aren't gonna be here every day. Or maybe they got different times, different schedules. It's whatever. Where did I put that? It's in here. Rename this to look at.
another one called interact with.
I just called it interact.
Way of giving common functions that you can put onto any actor, but will have different implementations of what actually happens when you call these functions. So it's really useful for interaction interfaces.
Gotta stretch. My whole body is like.
Define here our functions. And by the way, these are only defined.
Ugh.
Edit actually what's inside them is defined the parameters inside of it. So now look at here. We're going to have in our outputs a text.
Right. Because we need to output an actual thing that we're seeing. Nah, I'm just wide.
This is going to be a message that we're going to show on the screen to say what they're going to pick up. So we put on the message.
Yeah, we can call it message. Yeah, okay.
And we'll come back to interact with it later.
Pretty sure that's kind of all we need with interact, but you know, maybe we'll need it later. No. And
Right. So the way this works is that if you drag out from look at,
jeez.
search for look at, see the option to look at and then brackets message. This means it's going.
Okay, this does mean we kind of have to set up a lot of the stuff here. But to set that up, I'm thinking. My brain is going. Okay. Where's the code that I can just copy? Because I know we've set up something similar to this already. I'm just gonna make you cry. I already said no. What do you want from me? Yeah. We want this line forward trace, break hit results. Was it add to inventory that we're in? I don't even remember. No, this is interaction trace, which I did not add. So we can't use that because we're obviously outside of our thing. Controller. No. No. Get controller? No, get player. Pawn. Forward vector? Get active forward vector. You know there's always something touching you? Yeah, I do. And I also know that hey bro, I gotta go soon? Okay, that's fine. You know, I can also breathe manually and I blink manually. You know how it is. 7 p.m. in Italy. Yeah, get back to location, and I mean that's fine. You know, I'm glad that you guys hop in, even if it's only for a little bit. Whew. Yeah. Gotta do a multiply and okay. Float. Ah, you know what? This is the first video to explain why we need to add this multiply to the get actor forward vector. So now I know why, because this is formalized. It gives 1. What country am I in? I am in the United States of America. What are you making this? A float? Have I played Pokemon? No, I don't think I've ever played Pokemon actually. Very sad. I've wanted to play Pokemon. It seems fun, and I've seen like a lot of videos and stuff about it, but I've never actually played it. Oh, that's so weird. You're putting eagles in the chat, but it's coming out as like... I have no idea what it's coming out as on stream. What are those things? Bees? I don't know. Alright. So now we gotta do the actual adding thing here. Add that. Welcome to the stream. Whoever joined. Why did it change the pin? I get interaction range. We'll set this to like 10 for now. And then bada bing bada boom. It does the thing it needs to do. So this will always track whether we are hitting something that can be interacted with. At least it will be when it's set up.
Now, for sphere trace, you do need to give it a radius, and I'm going to use 15 as my radius.
I usually did a line trace.
At the moment, we only have 2 trace shots, visibility and camera. These 2 colors
Maybe we should do a sphere trace, actually. Now that I'm thinking about it. Because not once have I managed to do it correctly. Because, what was it saying? Right, the reason to do a sphere trace instead of a line trace in this case is because we want this to happen when we touch anything. Like, any part of our body touches a coin or a dollar, the dollar should be collected. What's our radius in our base player? We have, like, a sphere trace somewhere. Are you just, like... Are you just putting emojis so that they pop around in on the stream? Is that like what your idea is? Where's the sphere trace? I swear we have one. There it is. 8. I just wanted to find what our sphere trace variable was. This is probably gonna have to get updated the moment we get an actual player character. My brother right now is working on drawing the Mighty Grandpa, like, you know, his walking animation, so we can actually like put him in here and then measure him against the rest of the game, and then I could resize everything to be based off of how big Mighty Grandpa is. I'll probably have to change everything, to be honest, because we're currently on a 16 by 16 pixel thing, and Mighty Grandpa probably is not going to be 16 pixels. We'll see, though. So we set that up. Oh, this is a 13-minute long video. They probably got blocked by auto mod for whatever reason then. Or did it? Oh Jesus. It's probably for spam, to be honest. That is probably why whatever you said got blocked. Engine collision trace channels. Ah, there it goes. Interactive. I mean, the fact that you're like the only person who comments pretty much means that it's whatever. But if there were more people, I probably would do something because of the spam. I'm curious of what this is gonna be. I'll do everything. I'm not saying I'd ban you. Compile this. Interactive. That's why you're asking that you're playing Pokemon? Oh, that's why you haven't been commenting. I see. I mean, that's fine.
Okay, so we've got that going on there. Active ignore. We want to ignore probably the owner. of the of this component. So just right click to get owner.
Ah, true. We need to get owner. It's perfectly fine to just put the stream on the back while you're doing other stuff. That's really how I expect to be watched, honestly, considering I'm spending 2 hours working on a game.
Okay, so that is the tracing part done. Next, we put this into a branch.
Just me being here talking, just slowly programming.
Now, normally when I do this, I like to do the true line first and then doing the exceptions and the full
I feel like it's pretty. It makes sense.
Now, the first check going to be is whether or not the hit actor is going to be. Actually, first of all, let's come back to it. Right to level, and we'll put look at. There's the actor you're currently looking at.
Set look at actor. One person? One person one. I mean, I mean, you guys are 2 people, I would say, rather than 1. Unless.
Remember, this will only be things that are interactive. We'll put this trace on here.
So if they're interactive, then.
That into our true function.
Okay.
We then are going to set up an interact interface, and that interact interface is going to handle what's going to happen when we look at something and it's going to interact with 1 or 2.
Oof.
So in your content drawer, open it up and in your inventory folder here.
My elbow has been hurting so badly. My goodness. I just need, like, to take a moment. I haven't been, like, I'm trying not to use my arm too much, but, like, obviously it's, like, the one I have for the mouse. And, oh, my goodness. But it hurts. It's better than it was yesterday. Yesterday, like, was in so much pain. Ah, jeez. Anyway. Back to this. Gotta go. Yeah, see ya, glitchy boy. Next stream. I'll be here same time tomorrow and the day afterwards. Have a good one with whatever you're doing. Or sleeping. Good night. Because I'm pretty sure you said you were sleeping.
So that's done. We're going to do our look at, define here our functions. And by the way, these are only definable. You can't edit actually what's inside of them. Just define parameters.
Okay. That's what I figured.
We're going to have in our outputs a text.
I already set this up. I just rewinded. Do 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 do. Ah, yes. True, that's fair enough. I guess hopefully everything should be fine. Yeah, print string so that I can actually see it. And do that so that it appears. My goodness, an ad stopping our music. An ad I can't even skip. This is tragic. Left with a smile. Okay.
Now, to be able to test this, we need to make an item that we actually interact with. So let's create that test item. There we go. New folder here. Items.
You're so right. I should just call, instead of pickupable, I should just call them items. Pickup. I mean, nah, I'll call it pickups.
And we're going to create a new duplicate class actor. And we'll put on test item.
Okay. What are we gonna do here?
We make sure it's implementing the interact interface first.
Indeed. To do that, gotta go to class settings, add interact interface, I interact, which is what the interact interface already is. What is with you? And I'm like, oh no, you're gonna die, or they're dead. Like, I'm just going through the video. Like, what? Do you want me to sit through this? I've already done it. What they've said to do. So okay. This one interfaces. Testing. Ooh. Put that on the inventory system? Interesting. I mean, I guess it makes sense because it needs to actually get called. Otherwise, it will never do anything. Where did you do that? Yeah, event graph, event tick, interaction trace. So every tick, it'll call interact trace. Bro. For testing, we gotta do one more thingamajig, and that is change the line of interact trace. Or yeah, we'll just like make it 20. Yeah. What does that, like 0? All right. It worked. Did it vanish? I gotta collision and then show collision. Yeah, it vanished. Okay, cool. That means that it worked. Why are the enemies the same as... because the protagonist and the enemy, all of it is... I love the stream. Oh, thank you, Cube YT. Because these are all temporary assets. They purely exist for testing purposes. Like, our main character is not going to be a fox. And neither are the enemies going to be foxes. They're just foxes for now. Yes, hello, hello. Jeez, why don't you die? You guys have too much health. Well, not you, just this guy. Oh, gosh. I mean, we might have some foxes, but generally these are all temporary assets. So that worked. Hmm? Ah, okay. I like foxes. Yeah, I mean, foxes are cool animals. They scream, but they're pretty cool animals. I'm gonna sub. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. I'm glad.
There we go. Now it's printing out all those things. So it puts on a tick event. It's constantly printing out all those things. Now, because it's constantly printing
I
out
already. Well,
constantly adding messages,
I appreciate that as well.
very wasteful. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to change it slightly to allow us to only do it once every time we see something new. So if I go to my interaction system, interaction trace, and before we go into look at actor and look at, we're going to do a check to see if the look actor is different from the previous one. So we only want to do this if they're different. So we'll put that in here. So we'll branch.
Oh, this is interesting.
Actor is not equal to, and we'll be plugging our look at actor.
Oh, that's cool. I like that actually. So let's move this forward. Add a branch. I mean, listen, I'm fine. Subscribers nowadays on YouTube don't matter that much. Like in the grand scheme of things. Not that I don't appreciate that you guys are subscribing. Do you know Gmod? Yeah, of course I know Gmod. Views and like watch time are really the thing that matter nowadays. And the fact that you guys are watching is great. I love it. It really helps the channel. Ah, wait. There you go. It disconnected it from before. Oh, you're making a Gmod map. That's cool. What? She goned. What's your Gmod map? Oh, the same thing happened to them. That's interesting. That's cool. You know what? I actually like that. So now, let's say I go here. Interesting. Nothing happened this time. Why is that? Is that because there's no... Here, let me set up another thing. This will be a thing that can be adjusted. This is the item. Wait, nope. It's a 2D game. So we can't have a 2D... this. We actually want a... Oh, no. We already have a paper sprite. Now we just need a... Name it at... If you know... No, I don't know Italian. So... it's one of those lanes I've wanted to learn. Because I do know Spanish. So I figured out... I could like spread the number of languages I know, but never got around to it. The fact that it's not the differences and similarities between the languages actually kind of make it harder for me to learn them. I'll just have this like candle be the default. But now that I did that, I have to... What's this? I see. Santa means Sate girl. Interesting. Oh my goodness. I just got hit by like a wave of hunger. I just realized my style of not eating before stream is really... It's not super good. Normally I have like a sandwich or something before stream, but today I did not eat anything, and I just got like a wave of, oh gosh, you have not eaten anything. Yeah, I'm sure they're watching, Lauren. They just haven't commented. No, not most people don't comment as much as you do, and I do appreciate it. But some people just, you know, just watch, and that's perfectly fine. What was I doing before the hunger struck me? Collision, right? Ugh. So custom. No, because interactive's already set to block all dynamic. Ah, wait, no, that wouldn't be the issue. I was about to say maybe. Wait. It's because I have destroy actor. Let's turn that off. Wait, that's weird. Now I can't, the message is not appearing. Why is that? Collision-wise, we should be hitting, the thing. Especially because, for the pickup, it's a block all dynamic. What message? The inventory system should call up the message that the item has, and the pickup item has the message of testing. Nah, don't apologize. You're just here. You can, you know, you can just watch silently. It's fine. This is a 2D game. Well, it's a 2D game, but it's made in a 3D engine. So, what is going on? Is it? I got an idea. Let us turn this on. What is this circle that's following us? Ah, wait. It already ignores its owner. Do you have Gmod? I don't think I have it installed. But I do have it. It was working before, so why isn't it working now? The moment I gave it the pickup like a physical thing. No, actually not even that. The moment I moved it, it stopped. It just stopped working. Why is that? It's constantly green also, which is not... Why? Huh? Why is it constantly green? It should only be green when I hit an interactable thing. No, it should be green when I hit anything, right? Ignore self, actors to ignore. If you do hit something, then continue. Is this getting called? Let's test it. It's getting called instantly. And this is getting called false. Got it. Okay. Let's try this. Let's stand in front of this thing. And let's... Okay. What are we getting here? False. We're still getting false. Yeah, I'll never give up. So why... That explains it. I'm just dumb. When you successfully... Yeah. There we go. The issue with our current setup is that... Actually, no, there's no issue. It's perfectly fine. We've done it. Great. Okay. So I'm glad we got that done. That was great. And okay, we can go back to the video now.
Okay, if I look away, come back, it doesn't turn back on. Which is not what I want, because when I look away, I want it to let me look back at it and still show a new message. So, how do we fix that? Well, that looking away
Oh, that doesn't happen to me.
when we do the return value. Remember, this is only going to return true if we get something that has interactive set block. So in the false of this, we're going to get rid of our look at actor. Take out look at actor, set, and if we leave it blank like this, that means it's going to have nothing.
Oh, right. I mean, I should probably still do that. Because just because I think I don't have an issue doesn't mean I have an issue. Oh, what's up, Yassine? Welcome to the stream. Also, sorry to hear that, Cube. You're building a chair? Nice. Is it like a gaming chair or what? Or is it one of those really expensive chairs? Actually, no, it wouldn't be one of those because you wouldn't be building them. It's a pro gaming chair that was $140. My goodness. I sit in an office chair, which technically is better for your back than most gaming chairs, but I don't know. It might not be super comfy. I'm setting up the inventory. It's been a long process. I just realized something. We want this trace to be... We want this to be smaller. I'm pretty sure. No, we still want it smaller. We want it to be slightly larger than our body. So that it's in the same range as our... Yeah, actually, no. We pretty much just want this at 1. Because we can't... If we're going to multiply by... But we do want it a little bit bigger than us, simply because right now we can't even touch it. I think. But now we can touch it. And that's great. Buy food from Aldi. Oh man, Aldi's, that's true. You can get a ton from there. Okay. And we can barely touch it with our feet as well. Perfect. That's exactly what we want. $140 is about 2 days of rent, and that's it. I mean, I guess that's... What was I doing? All right. So now we have that set up. So that means that we can interact with it. Perfect. Thank you for your assistance. Now that I've set that up, gonna make a video for you. Cool. I'd really enjoy that. Check it out on stream, maybe. I think probably have somebody pre-watch it first before I watch it. You're gonna go to sleep. Sleep well, Lorem. Have a good night. And see you in a bit, Cube. So now that we have the inventory system doing its thing, we have to go back into pickup, which is... Yeah. Okay. And we cast the player, get the inventory system, add to inventory, and destroy actor, I guess. That's pretty much what I... Which would mean that everything, there you go, got added to our inventory. Hopefully. The only issue with that, well, actually, no, it's not, because it's not even, or is it? It's not even calling the print string. But that might be because it's happening too fast. I do Vsauce phases. I mean, go ahead, make any kind of video you want. I would appreciate it. I think the issue right now is simply because we're adding to inventory, but nothing's really happening. So we got to set up the actual inventory stuff.
Hey, Michael.
Once again, so I guess we'll just keep watching the series. Good night.
Now we've got an interaction system in the game. Now we need to be able to pick up items on track. Now, what we have the issue with now doing is how do we replicate this on multiplayer, as well as make it so easy.
I do not care about multiplayer.
So here we'll make use of a different component. Let's give it the item to add. So let's go in
Bye.
browser, blueprint, class, and choose act component. And this we're going to call is item, or item data.
Ah, right. Now I'm remembering. Honestly, I think in my previous team where we made Project Peppermint, I'm pretty sure they watched this entire tutorial video to do their thing. And now I'm watching it, learning how to make this inventory system. It's funny how that works out. So, yeah, we need a component, which is item data. Ooh, local. That's like local multiplayer in that, like what? Both of you play on the same, can play on the same controllers, or what? Because that's not a bad idea. That's actually like a pretty good idea, in fact. Make a component. Same computer. Yeah. Well, that's what I was I understood that. Make it play like Shark Boy. No, not Shark Boy. Water Boy and Lava Girl, where where the WASD and up and down control different characters. That'd be kind of fun. I'd have to think of exactly how to set it up, but it shouldn't be too difficult.
But we're going to have in its first variable the item data, that will do item ID, accurate, and this is going to be a data table row handle. Now, what this means is it allows us to easily select.
A data table what handle?
And this is going to be a data table row handle. Now, what this.
A data table row handle. Interesting. Because I already set up the item ID in a different thing. Oh, I did something and it's not probably what I want. There we go. So much difficulty to type.
Means it allows us to easily select which item from our data table to show.
Okay.
We also need to know how much of this item exists in this component here too. So we'll do a quantity on this as well. And that's going to be an integer, whole number.
Okay, so we make another quantity variable. Quantity. There you go. So
Right, so we need those there.
I'll save that.
Editable, so we're going to tick editable. And then we're going to close that there. Go to our test item here. And I'm going to add that item data.
Right, so we want to add this to the pickup thing. Yeah, item data component. And then here, we can actually set. Oh, okay. Yeah, I remember this. This is how we did a bunch of stuff in the other game. So we get the item data table. We only have one row. When you pick up $1, all school teachers, all school teachers use how to use Google. Honestly, so true. There is one issue with using the item data table, is that it uses the names, which means that if you want to actually like change the name of an item, you have to go and manually change it. However, I think there's actually a way to not do it that way. Very specific, I know. Like, if I rename this to $1, which I'm going to have to because we're going to have multiple types of dollars, I'd have to go back into the item pickup and then update this to $1. However, there is a way to do it quickly, and I'm not sure how, though. Let me make another item. Call this test item. Whoops. Name it test item. And description is, this item is for testing purposes only. Quantity, stack size, 9,999. That would, I don't exactly see how it becomes a problem. It won't be. Like, realistically, it won't be a problem. It just became a problem in my, when I was working on the team. But I think it should be fine here.
So we're going to go to our content drawer, go to item data table, and we're going to add in our first item. Now, when you first click add at the top here, you can see a blank row.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to put this first one, apple. Looking red apple. Which we want to use. So
Yeah.
we're going to go over and add an image.
I think the member of my team copied this exact thing. Is it because no, it's not. The thing, kind of actually, yeah, but not really. It's hard. I'm like trying to think of how to explain what the issue was. The issue mainly came from the fact that as we added more items, we kept needing to change like older things, and to change when we changed older things, it would cause all these issues because so if you change it, let's say you go into the data table, you change the name of this thing, you change this, now you need to go into everything that references this and update it there. However, I think there's like a way to go up here and like refresh everything. The only issue is that I have no idea how to do it. I just realized, oh my goodness, I sound completely different to like to one ear or the other. Oh my god. Like, if I listen through this ear, I'm sorry, this is a tangent. If I listen through this ear, everything sounds, my own voice sounds nicer, I guess. And if I listen through this ear, everything becomes so much more like, it just becomes worse. That's so weird. That like threw me off. Like I was like while I was talking. There's like, anyway, it shouldn't be an issue because there's like a way to refresh all your like stuff. I just don't know how to do it right now. But if I figure it out, I don't know. I'll figure it out, I guess.
A website. Let's go over to
Huh?
GameIcons.net.
Buy some Logitech headphones. No, I mean like it's not me talking about the headphones themselves. It's like when I cover one ear, my voice sounds differently to me, and when I cover the other ear, my voice sounds completely different. Like the way that I sound to myself is completely different depending on which ear I cover. Like if I cover this ear, I sound the way that I sometimes sound on like through the microphone when I'm not speaking, like when I have the settings badly. And it's very strange. Anyway. Oh. There's like a free icon stuff. Maybe I should go through those. I'll take that as a compliment because being compared to Undertale in any way, I appreciate. I'm assuming you're talking about the video I made. Unless you're talking about something completely unrelated.
Right, so if we go back to our data table, we can now search that in our thumbnail. And the item class at the moment is just going to be nothing, we'll leave it none. Our text size we'll put in as, say, 10.
I guess we can just leave the test item as just nothing.
This we don't know, we can change these at any point.
Dude.
Now, the main thing that is
Especially because it shouldn't really give you anything.
in our data table. This is a unique ID identifier for our items. Okay? Keyword being unique. So if we double click on that, we can type in any ID we like. This could be numbers, letters.
I mean,
For simplicity, I'm going to type in apple.
it worked. Like, you know, say what you will about it. I didn't hear anyone complaining about the optimization of the game as they played it. Hello Cube, welcome back. But whatever. I'll take being compared to Undertale in any way.
Now, the beauty of what we're doing here is that on my test item, on the item data component, I can go over to my item ID, and the data table will be able to choose none for item data.
Yeah, we get our item data table. Oh.
There you go. Now, one thing to note is, if you want to make this really much easier for you in the long term, to adding loads of items, then the default behavior we set up here on our item component. So let's go over to our
Whose code is just sloppy. Hey, difference is one finished their game and also is not a So in the component, I should automatically I guess that would make sense to set it to, yeah, over here. Why is the text not showing up? Where? On the stream? Because I see it on the stream. Oh, unless perhaps you got some messages blocked. I'm just built different. Right. Oh my goodness. Did you send a previous message that didn't get through for some reason? That could be it. And then, if so, I don't know. Automod, I guess, blocked you or something. True. Just default set it to 1 would make sense. I don't know. Maybe, I guess you said something that could be potentially interpreted as bad in auto mod. I haven't really gone through it. Actually, you shouldn't, because I'm pretty sure I turned off auto mod, but that was on Twitch. Maybe I have to do it also for YouTube. Mm-hmm.
we'll make that change that based upon our item data. So we'll do drag out.
I guess that makes sense because we want it to. But I don't want to connect anything to this because some things that you, like the dollars that you pick up, a message isn't going to appear for each one telling you dollar, dollar, dollar. I only want this really for testing purposes and occasionally, and like signs maybe. So I'll probably just skip this one part here.
We now have both found. Outright white will change to match the type. So do that for itself. So for it yourself. So and do break, which is information about our item. And in particular, I want the name here. So on the
Yeah.
page here, we're going to drag this out.
All that stuff, you know, makes sense, but
We're going to put in.
not what I want.
When you hit enter, you'll see the parameter appear, named as you've named it here, as a pin.
I didn't know you could do that. Actually, no, I didn't know you could do that. What am I talking about? Why not have a message that shows up when you collect money? Because I'd just rather not. That just seems kind of annoying. I think I'd rather have it like a widget that just gets updated as you collect coins. I just realized, because of the way I'm setting up my widgets, I'm going to have one main widget that, when it gets called up, creates all the other widgets on it. That's shouldn't be too annoying. Okay. Oh jeez. So we're still not into the part where we add stuff into your inventory yet. All very useful things to do. What do you mean? Not even a drop of water out of that. Like, what do you mean when you say, like, a trail of money? I'll check it out. Automon Cube. I'll be honest, I'm not entirely sure of Automod for YouTube. Gotta go to YouTube Studio, probably, I think. But if it's blocking every message you say, it's concerning. I don't know why. It just seems to occasionally lock onto people and then just start silencing them. I think my mom's calling me. Oh, nah, she's calling my brother. Auto mode? Yeah, I have no idea. I'm sorry. You're just gonna have to deal with it, I guess. Like how coins and Maya, how they're grouped in 3 and 5s and such. I mean, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Sure, Cube. Anyway, yeah, that's what I'm doing. You see. What was I saying? Right. I guess we'll just we'll keep watching this guy's stuff. Jeremiah, add a chicken. I will. That's family, in case anyone's wondering. I will add a chicken eventually, but I gotta set up all the main stuff before to get to that. Oh, right. Yeah, alright.
So we're now going to work on adding items to inventory. So the first thing I like to work on when doing this is to make something.
Oh. I'm receiving a phone call. Be right back. All right, I'm back. Adding a cooking system, so oh gosh. I'm rec room. I'm guessing you're Cube. Welcome back, Cube.
Not necessarily add it to my inventory straight away. Just make it disappear.
Anyway,
Multiplier sense makes
we're probably not gonna finish this inventory system today. Yeah, I figured. We're probably not gonna finish this inventory system because
so
it's almost 5, and I'm hungry and I really want to eat. But
what we're doing here
we'll get through what we can.
our inventory component itself.
Get back into the inventory component.
Event graph, where tick event doing this. Now I newly set up our interact input, so I'm going to go over to my input settings in my project settings. So project settings, scroll down, you'll find input settings, and it'll go to action mappings here, add new action. And this action mapping is going to be interact. And we'll put in the keys we're going to use this. So I'm going to use the E.
Actually, that's a good point. I'm not gonna do it the way they're doing it, but I'm in the pickup right now. Do an 8-hour long stream with no food? Literally never. If I'm gonna do an 8-hour long stream, I will come here with food and I'll eat. Maybe friend me on stream and I'll tell you the video. I mean, sure. I don't know. You send me a friend request. I'm Reddit on there too. I don't know. But unfriend me later so that I have not. Okay. Order Chinese. Nah, my mom already made food, so I'm gonna order. The stream will be my. You want me to starve? I'm gonna die doing that. Okay, I need to change this because the way that it's set up is not conductive to what we want. I need to think. I'm gonna do this.
And we'll use the gamepad
Because I want this
left-hand button.
to happen upon
Okay, and close that.
touching the item.
So on our inventory system, we actually can get access to those inputs that we just saw. So I can type in here, interact. You should look for the one that says action events. Interact. Now input actions are
I'll even join.
on the client side.
Okay, you know, I'm not. I don't have time, so I might as well. We might as well sit down and talk about this. No, I'll leave the game open. Whatever. 24-hour stream, no food. What would we even do for 24 hours? Work on the game 24 hours? Like, after 5 hours, we would like be completely running out of steam. What is your profile pic? I don't know. I won't even do water? Bro. I mean, that would... It'd be horrible. But the content would be great. Just work on the... Be like, 24 hours live stream working on Mighty Grandpa. And make more steam. That would be awful, but I kind of am hyped for it, like thinking about it. But we'd have to set that up as like a milestone, you know? I don't even know what kind of milestone, like what, 100 viewers and I'll do this. Because that would be, honestly, it would be kind of hype. I don't even know what day I would do it though. Polly from Monster Prom. Yeah, that's true. That's the PFP that I have. Like a Saturday. Oh, Saturday. Yeah. Like just have a Saturday and be like from midnight to midnight, continuously streaming it. That probably would be when I could do it. I'm gonna look up how to set up like a milestone thing, like a bar at the top of the. I'm about to end stream and I'll check it. Don't worry. Like look through. Oh, excuse me. Figure out how to set up like those I forget. Those bars that people like that professional streamers put at the top of the screens for like milestones, like we reach 100, we do this. No, don't end stream. I mean, I gotta, I gotta eat. Or do you want me to show me what you're talking about like now? 100 Twitch subs and we do it. That honestly, that would be a pretty good setup. 100 Twitch subs and we stay up for when we go live for 24 hours working on a game. Let's see. Oh, jeez, get that off of there. No free ad on here. I'm guessing that's. Oh wait, what did I just do? That wasn't a friend request. That was like an invite to a game. Yeah. Those flags that you said, Jeremiah, came out like X's and M's on the screen, which is very funny. So yeah, I'll promise it here. 100 Twitch subs. And I guess you'll see it as well. We'll do a 24-hour live stream of just hunkering down, working on the game. I'm holding you to that. Although I guess by the same logic, you're holding me to that. Oh boy. Might not be. This might not have been the best decision. But it's good to have goals. Even if those goals are semi-torture. But only like semi-torture. Oh wait. No, there it is. No, I accepted your friend request, I guess. Dude. Yeah, I got it. I mean, I've accepted it, I'm pretty sure, so I don't know. It's already 5, so I'm like, get through this, whatever you want to show me, and then because I am feeling hungry. I'll update like. Oh, jeez. This is what you wanted to show me? Or is that just like a test? Oh, that's the map that you're working on? That's cool. I'm happy. I'm excited to see where it goes, like in the future. Oh, okay. So it was just a test. Good, good to know. I was like, oh, is that it? Not to say that that's not a lot. I don't know anything about Gmon, so maybe that was a lot of effort. Oh, did I close Steam? I did close Steam. What the? Well, if you want to show me anything else, I'm here. What twice name? Huh? What are you asking? I have no idea what the question is, but oh, Twitch name. It's Redikai. It's Redikai on YouTube. It's Redikai on Twitch. It's Redikai on Twitter. It's Redikai in every platform that I'm on. If you see Redikai there, that's probably me. Except for a couple, which is not me. But those are rare exceptions. So, anything else you want to show? With a pink mouse. That's me. Also, yeah. Subscribing on Twitch, by the way, costs money, just so you know. Just be careful with that. Don't want you to accidentally do anything. Well, you wouldn't be able to accidentally, because you'd have to put, like, you know, money in and all that stuff. Anyway, I think that's enough for the stream. It was nice talking a little bit afterwards. And yeah. I mean, that's what's like Twitch subscriptions are. They like give you money. It's like that's how people on Twitch earn money. Although I think you actually can't subscribe to me right now, like at all, because I think I need to be like a partner with Twitch first, and I'm not. And for that to happen, I need more viewers and I need more stuff. So I guess that 100 subscription thing is kind of very far off. But it's you know, it's a potential. We can reach there. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I had a pretty good time. I working on the game, talking with everybody. And I'm gonna watch you every day. Thank you. I appreciate it, because I will be here every day from 2 to 5, except for on Wednesdays, where from 3 to 5, except for on Wednesdays, which will be 2 to 4. And that's probably how I'm going to do it going forward. I might, in a couple weeks, maybe next week, maybe the week after, start going from 2 to 5. You know, increase the stream from 2 hours to like 3 hours, but we'll see. See you guys around. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, do all those stuff. And bye-bye. I really should try practicing this a little more.